All right. Hello, my name is Doc Chelle. Thank you for coming to my Dr. Test Prep YouTube channel, where I help you be a better student on the PSAT and SAT by teaching you how to use a Desmos calculator. Now, if you're new to my channel, everything that I teach you aligns with Khan's lesson. So right now we're doing Unit 3, Lesson 3 on percentages. So hopefully you have an orange box on Khan Academy saying that this is an area that you need to grow on. Remember, when you click the link in my description to get to the Desmos calculator, you'll see this screen. You definitely need to go to Choose Assessment and then College Board. If you don't, you won't be able to do all the things that I do. It's just how it is. Okay, and I think Unit 1, I gave you some examples of how formulas to remember for this unit. I'm not going to go back to Unit 1 and show you, but I will talk about it. So we have a shirt that originally cost $40. And then it got discounted by 25%. And we want to know what's the current price. Now, I've talked to you in other videos, and this is going to be very important when we do exponential functions, is that if it's discounted by 25%, you have to decide how much percent is left. So it's like you have $100, 100%. You spend $25. That's the discount. How much money is left? $75. So what we're going to do here is, instead of writing 25%, we have to write actually 75%, and we have to write it as a decimal. So I have 40 times 0.75, and I get my answer of $30. Now I am going to show you one other way that you could do this. The other way you could do it is percent over 100 equals is over of, in which case we would have 75 still, because we're paying 75% of the original price. We don't know what our is, but we do know our of is 40. And so the other thing you could have done is you could hit the divide symbol for fractions and do it this way, where we just do 75 over 100 equals x divided by 40. And what do we still get? If I scroll out, whoops, scroll. Oh, look at that. It's 30. Mind blown. All right, a pair of shoes is on sale for $45. So we're going to use the is over of. We have our percent over 100 equals our is over of. You just need to know it, okay? But it makes sense. The small percent is over 100, and we always talk about wanting 100% on the test. Small percent, 100, equals the part is over the whole of. Like, it makes sense even if you don't remember the words. But that's why you have the Desmos calculator open and you're doing it along with me. All right, well, it says the shoes are already $45. The original price was $60, and we don't know the percent. So I'm going to X these out. And so now my equation is x divided by 100 equals 45 divided by 60. Scroll. There we go. 75. Ooh. Nope. Guess what we did? 75% is how much they paid for it. So they paid 75%. So what was the discount? 25%. That was the percent discount. If a number is increased by 60%, the result is 72. What is the original number? So this is where it gets a little bit harder. Because it says increased, we have to think that we have the original number, which is 1, plus our increase, which is 0.6. Because we're converting 60%, we're basically dividing that by 100. We don't know what our original number is, but we know our answer is 72. And you can type it in just that ugly and it knows what to do. Like when we do exponential functions, we're going to type it just like that when we do exponential growth and decay. Equals 72. Here's my number. My original number is 45. And you could even test it out. What's 45 times 1.6? And you would get 72. All right, this is Dr. Chelle. In our next video, we're going to go over the harder examples on Unit 3, Lesson 3. So make sure you come back because we're going to be doing some word problems. Thanks for watching.